So we're going to, where are we going?
Mercedes-Benz Museum.
Oh yeah, we're going to Mercedes-Benz Museum, finally. Can't wait. Can you wait? No, Sabrina can't wait either. So exciting.
This colorful Mercedes-Benz LO 1112 is a bus from Argentina. In Buenos Aires, there are 14,000 buses in service every day. These are known as colectivos. The bus routes are operated by private companies, many of which own only one vehicle. In order to attract customers and stand out in the throng of traffic, the drivers paint their colectivos in bright colors and decorate them with lucky mascots and other personal trinkets. Before long, horse-drawn trams and buses could no longer keep pace with demand. Around the turn of the century, the larger cities switched regular transport services to motorized omnibuses. These were more spacious, more reliable, and could carry a much greater load than horse-drawn vehicles. What's more, they took up far less space on the road and did not foul the streets. In order to cope with the ever-increasing rise in the number of passengers, London also introduced double-decker buses from as early as 1904. Many of these, over 400 in the period to 1907 alone, were supplied by the English company Milnes. The chassis for the Milnes double-decker, the engine, the axles, and all mechanical parts came from the Daimler plant in Berlin-Marienfelde. Milnes then assembled the double-decker bodies. The English capital was to see more and more of these double-deckers on its streets in the years to come.
have in there?
Coffee lids, stirrers, straws, creamer, sugar.
Good afternoon from the Mercedes-Benz Museum here in Stuttgart. We just walked through the entire museum. It's about 8 stories high. Its headquarters is directly across from the museum. and it is definitely the pride of Stuttgart. But we had a great time here, and highly recommended.